You want to feel more accomplished in your life. It's important to recognize this because it's an aching in your heart to step up and be, capital B, capital E, more in your life. And that's not easy when you're being pulled in so very many different directions. So today's card, the Look to the West card, is here to support you, and it's from the Oracle of the Lake deck. Looking to the west, that's looking to the finality, right, of the day, when there's a beautiful sunset. Have you ever seen that and you've gone, it's brought you to the tears and you've gone, oh, I'm done, right? That feeling of accomplishment, like being done, I've accomplished this day, is grand. And it's a connection to your inner truth that you are enough. And so when we want to feel more accomplished, it's really about embracing our enoughness and using our fire energy, which this card is, to be, see, sense, and feel that you are enough in all that you do and be in this world at any given moment, at any given time. So we have to look to the West, which is really looking to that inner vibration of our own fire and our own energy and elevate that so that we know without the shadow of a doubt that we are enough. And we can step forward with that energy and align with it because then we have the ability to share authentically all of who we are with others who need our support in this world. So look to the West. You are enough. The description below will give you more insight into that, as well as all of the cards in the Oracle of the Lake deck by hitting the link that's inside that description. And I'll take you to the next card soon.